Hi guys, and welcome to another video. In today's video we'll be unboxing these two boxes that I've received from Unifi Networks. So without further ado, let's get into it. So let's start with the small box first, and we'll see what's in here. Firstly we have the G3 Instant. Black patch cable, the white patch cable, the black, the black, two white ones, the blue. So we have 3 blue, 3 black and 3 white patch cables. We also have SFP Patch Cable, two UK plugs, we have the U6 Lite AP, and we have a 1TB hard drive. So we'll now get into see what's in the larger box. Just get my knife. So first we'll have a look at this. We've got the Unifi 16-port PoE switch. Have a quick look around the box. See, PoE, 16 PoE, 16-port, 802.3 AT, and then we also have the Dream Machine Pro. So stay tuned and we'll get into the unboxing of the Dream Machine, and we'll also do an unboxing of the other items that we've received too.